Have you ever had something annoying break or go wrong at home and thought, I wish there was a quick fix right now? What if the solution was already sitting in your kitchen and you didn't even realize it? Some of the most useful home hacks use everyday food and ingredients that most people overlook, and one of the simplest items in your pantry might solve a problem you deal with all the time. Imagine fixing stains, odors, bugs, or even small health annoyances without spending extra money or buying special products. That's exactly what we're talking about today. Stick with me because a few of these tricks might seriously surprise you. Most of us keep our kitchens stocked with basic items like baking soda, vinegar, lemons, salt, and honey. We usually think of them only as cooking ingredients, but many of them are actually powerful problem solvers. People have been using these simple ingredients for decades to fix everyday issues around the home. The best part is that these fixes are easy, cheap, and quick. You don't need tools or complicated steps, and you definitely don't need to be an expert. If you like saving money, simplifying your life, and finding clever solutions, these kitchen tricks are going to feel like hidden superpowers. Today, we're going through some of the most effective home fixes using items that are probably already in your kitchen right now. Each one solves a real problem that many people deal with every day. Some help with cleaning, some improve comfort, and a few even support simple health habits at home. Let's start with one of the most powerful and underrated items in any kitchen: baking soda fixes. Baking soda is one of those ingredients people often forget about until they need it for baking, but this simple white powder can fix a lot of common household problems. One of the easiest uses is removing bad smells from places like shoes, trash cans, or even the refrigerator. All you need to do is sprinkle a little baking soda inside the area that smells bad. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight so it can absorb the odor. When you come back, you'll notice the smell is much lighter or completely gone. Another great use for baking soda is cleaning stubborn stains in mugs or containers. If you've ever had coffee or tea stains that won't wash away, baking soda can help. Just mix a small amount with water to create a paste and gently scrub the stained area. Many people are surprised that baking soda can also help soothe itchy skin from bug bites. A simple mix of baking soda and water can calm irritation and reduce the urge to scratch. This is a small trick that can make a big difference during warmer months. Baking soda is also great for clearing minor sink odors. Sometimes the sink smells even after washing dishes, and that can be frustrating. Pour a little baking soda down the drain, followed by warm water, and it can help freshen things up. What makes baking soda so useful is that it's gentle but effective. It doesn't scratch surfaces easily, and it's safe for many everyday uses. That's why it's often called one of the most versatile kitchen ingredients. Vinegar fixes around the house. Now let's talk about vinegar, another kitchen item that works like a multi-purpose helper. White vinegar is especially useful for cleaning and fixing small household problems. One of the most common uses is removing hard water stains on faucets and shower heads. If you've ever noticed white buildup on your kitchen faucet, vinegar can help dissolve it. Just soak a cloth in vinegar and wrap it around the stained area for a while. When you wipe it off later, the metal often looks much cleaner. Vinegar is also great for getting rid of strong smells in the microwave. Food splatters and reheated meals can leave behind odors that linger for days. Heating a bowl of water mixed with a little vinegar in the microwave for a few minutes can help clear the smell quickly. Another useful trick is cleaning cloudy glass. Sometimes glasses look dull even after washing them. Rinsing them with a little vinegar can restore their shine and make them look almost new again. Some people also use vinegar to help remove sticky residue from jars or labels. If you've ever tried peeling off a label and ended up with glue stuck on the surface, vinegar can loosen it. Just apply a small amount and wipe it away. Vinegar works because it breaks down certain types of buildup and grime. It's simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Once you start using it this way, you may keep a bottle ready just for these quick fixes. Lemon power for freshness and cleaning. Lemons are another kitchen item that can solve more problems than most people realize. Their natural acidity make them great for cleaning and freshening spaces. One simple trick is using lemon to remove food smells from your hands. If you've ever cooked with garlic, onions, or fish, you know how stubborn those smells can be. Rubbing a slice of lemon on your hands can help remove the odor quickly. After that, just rinse with water. Lemon can also help brighten cutting boards. Over time, cutting boards can start to look stained or dull. Sprinkling a little salt on the board and rubbing it with half a lemon can help clean and refresh the surface. Another surprising use is helping your kitchen smell fresh. Boiling lemon slices in water on the stove can make your whole home smell clean and light. Many people love this trick because it feels natural and comforting. Lemon juice can also reduce mild grease buildup on surfaces. Mixing lemon juice with warm water can create a simple cleaning solution. It's quick, easy, and smells much better than many store products. What makes lemons special is that they combine cleaning power with freshness. They don't just clean something, they also improve the smell of your home. That's why they're one of the most popular natural home fixes. Salt, the simple problem solver. Salt might seem too basic to be useful for home fixes, but it can actually solve a lot of little problems. One classic trick is removing grease from pans. If a pan is still oily after cooking, sprinkling salt on it can help absorb the grease. After letting the salt sit for a moment, you can wipe the pan more easily. This makes cleaning faster and sometimes saves you from heavy scrubbing. It's a simple trick that many cooks swear by. Salt can also help remove certain stains from fabric. For example, if something spills on a tablecloth, salt can absorb some of the liquid quickly. Acting fast can make a big difference before the stain sets. Another helpful use is cleaning cast iron cookware. Many people avoid soap on cast iron, so salt becomes a great alternative. Using salt and a little water can help scrub the surface safely. Salt is powerful because of its texture and absorbent qualities. It works almost like a natural scrubbing tool. That's why it's been used in kitchens and homes for generations. Honey for simple health support at home. Now let's shift slightly into health-related fixes using kitchen items. Honey is not just sweet and delicious, but it can also support small, everyday wellness habits. One common use is soothing a sore throat. A spoonful of honey or honey mixed into warm water can feel calming when your throat feels irritated. Many people enjoy adding honey to warm tea, especially during colder seasons. It's simple and comforting. Honey is also sometimes used in simple home face masks. Mixing honey with a little yogurt or oatmeal can create a gentle skin treatment. Some people like this because it feels natural and easy to prepare. Another small benefit is using honey before bedtime in warm drinks. It can create a relaxing routine that helps people wind down. Building simple habits like this can improve overall comfort and daily wellness. Honey has been valued for centuries in many cultures. It's one of those ingredients that sits quietly in the pantry but has many helpful uses, and chances are you already have at home. Olive oil for unexpected fixes. Olive oil is another kitchen staple that can do more than cooking. One interesting use is helping remove stuck rings from fingers. A small amount of olive oil can make it easier to slide the ring off safely. Olive oil can also help polish certain wooden surfaces like cutting boards or utensils. Applying a small amount can restore shine and protect the wood. This can extend the life of items you use every day. Some people also use olive oil to reduce squeaky hinges temporarily. While it's not a permanent fix, it can help in a pinch. A tiny amount can make doors move more smoothly. Olive oil is also used in simple hair or skin routines at home. A small amount can add moisture and shine. That's why it's often included in natural beauty tips. This shows how one item can serve many purposes beyond cooking. When you start thinking this way, your kitchen becomes a toolkit. The most surprising kitchen combo fix. Now here's something that surprises a lot of people. One of the most powerful home fixes isn't just a single kitchen item. It's a combination that many people already know but rarely use to its full potential. The mix of baking soda and vinegar can create a reaction that helps clean and break down buildup. When used carefully, this combo can help with drains, tough stains, and certain odors. The bubbling action helps lift grime that normal cleaning might miss. What makes this trick so interesting is how simple it is. Two basic ingredients from your kitchen can create a powerful cleaning reaction. Many people spend money on strong cleaners when this easy solution might already be sitting on their shelf. But the real lesson here is bigger than just one hack. Once you realize how useful everyday kitchen items are, you start seeing your home differently. Instead of reaching for expensive products, you begin using what you already have in smarter ways. And that's where the real value comes from. It's not just about one fix, it's about changing how you solve problems at home. So today we discovered something pretty cool. Simple kitchen items like baking soda, vinegar, lemons, salt, honey, and olive oil can solve many everyday problems around your home. These fixes are quick, affordable, and easy to try. Instead of rushing to buy new products, you can start by checking your kitchen first. Many of these ingredients work for cleaning, small repairs, and even simple wellness habits. Once you try a few of these tricks, you'll probably start discovering your own. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and home tips that actually work in real life. Also, drop a comment below and tell me which kitchen item surprised you the most today. And here's a question for you.
What's one home problem you deal with all the time that you wish had an easy fix?